Crochet Cousins. You're watching LaShonda Rice. She is the owner, author, and doll designer of the Christian Crochet Addict. Well, hello there, Crochet Cousins. Today we will be learning how to crochet in the round. Yes, the moment you've all been waiting for. So the first thing that we're going to do is create the magic circle. Now, I have covered this in a previous video. It will be in the description section so that you won't have to search for it. But what I'm doing right now is just wrapping the yarn over my fingers. I'm chaining one, that is to secure the magic circle. Again, if you don't know how to do the magic circle, don't worry. I have a video for you. Now, if you think the magic circle is the devil, just go ahead and chain 2, and we are going to proceed with 6 single crochet in the magic circle. If you're not using the magic circle, again, go ahead and chain 2 and place 6 single crochet in the second chain from the hook. As you can see, I just tugged on the yarn, and that is to make the hole a little smaller. Sometimes that happens when you start off your magic circle. It may be a little too big. Just go ahead and tug on that yarn and make it a little smaller. We now have 4 single crochets in this magic circle, and I'm going to continue with the other 2. Now that your 6 single crochets are completely done, you're going to pull it to secure it. Make sure it's nice and snug. Then we are going to proceed with round 2. You're going to be working in that first single crochet, okay? For round 2, we're going to place 2 single crochets in that very first stitch. Now let me give you a little information. Most of my patterns I do not chain up. What I mean by that is sometimes they will call for you in the pattern to do a slip stitch at the first single crochet. That is not something that I like to do. I like my finished clean look, and in effort to keep it looking that way, I just continue in the round. So now I am placing 2 single crochets in each stitch. You should have a total of 12 single crochets in the round. Please, 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 I am a master crocheter. I do not have a stitch marker right now, but you should be using one. And I will see you at the end of this round. At the end of the round, make sure you have 12 stitches. You should only have 12. That's 2 single crochets in each of those 6 single crochets from the first round. On round 3, I want you to make sure that you are securing your work by placing a knot in the back of your work. This is the string that we use to close that magic circle. You do not want it to loosen up. You're going to hold it in place and tug on it really well. Now that your work is totally secure, you can turn it back over and start on round 3. We are going to start in that first stitch. You can also place your stitch marker. Do as I say, not as I do. And let's get started. The very first stitch, you're going to place 1 single crochet. In the next space, you're going to place 2 single crochet in the same space. You're going to repeat this sequence around to the stitch marker. 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 2 single crochet. Repeat this around to the stitch marker, and then we'll get started with round 4. At the end of the round, you should have 18 stitches. Now I'm going to go ahead and place my stitch marker. On this round, round 4, we are going to place 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the second stitch, then 2 single crochet in the third stitch. So the sequence goes as this: 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. So we're going to continue around doing 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the second stitch, and 2 single crochet in the third stitch. Repeat it around to the stitch marker. Hip hip hooray, we finished round 4. Now we're going to start round 5. This tutorial is a little different from my normal tutorials because I am showing you step by step. If this video is too slow, feel free to fast forward to the next round. Now we're going to do round 5. You're going to place 1 single crochet in the next 3 spaces. In the 4th space, you're going to place 2 single crochet, and you're going to repeat this sequence around. So that's 1 single crochet in the first space, 1 single crochet in the second space, 1 single crochet in the third space, and in the 4th space you're going to place 2 single crochet. I will see you at the end of the round. Okay, we are done with round 5. Now round 6, you are going to put 1 single crochet in the first 4 stitches and then 2 single crochet in that 5th stitch. You are going to repeat this sequence If you want to make your circle as big as your house, it doesn't matter. It's always the same and it will always be a perfect circle. All you have to do is continue to follow along with that sequence. You go up a single crochet in each round. Notice that I'm showing you where the 2 single crochets are right there. That's where your increases are every single time. See the 2 single crochets above each other? This is how your circle should look, and you can even make a rug out of it. You can turn this into a purse by putting 2 together and sewing them. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. God bless you and have a wonderful day.